Some items are easier to browse if they are shelved by subject, and other things, like novels, are easier to find if they are shelved by the author. Because of this, the library has two main distinctions that permeate through all age levels: fiction, which is shelved by the author's last name, and nonfiction, which is shelved by subject. Items in the fiction collection will have a call number that is all or part of the author's last name. For instance, O'Connor, Smith, and Tucker. Items in the nonfiction collection will have a call number that is an actual number and is sometimes followed by letters. For example, 398.2 YOL and 567.1 FAR. There are fiction and nonfiction sections in each of the juvenile, young adult, and adult collections. The library's nonfiction collection is organized using the Dewey Decimal System. The Dewey Decimal System groups items by subject into one of 10 broad categories. Those categories are the zeros, books about computer science, information, and general works; the 100s, books about philosophy and psychology; the 200s, books about religion; the 300s, books about social sciences, political science, economics, law, education, customs, and folklore can all be found in here. The 400s are books about languages, including dictionaries. The 500s are books about pure sciences and mathematics. The 600s are books about technology and applied sciences. This includes books about medicine, engineering, agriculture, and home economics. The 700s are books about arts and recreation. The 800s are books about literature. This includes books of literary criticism, books of poetry, and writing collections. The 900s are books about history and geography. The library's nonfiction might contain some surprise items. For instance, in the section we call nonfiction, we put our folklore, poetry, literary criticism, which often includes the original work, and memoirs. This is not to be confusing, but really to help aid in browsing. If we had classified our folk tales as we classify our fiction, it would be very difficult to find several different versions of the Cinderella story.